Alright, WEMA's made it to the car. I think you can still see. Two of the officers have climbed into the car, it looks like, or at least laying over to pull people in. Right now, the water is up to his tail lights.
Now they're bringing a jet ski.
No.
Yeah.
Where?
Up there.
Dad just told me we have a WEMA jet ski down there behind the trailer. I can't really see well.
They ought to make them open the door so it floods up.
I agree. I think they should have made it swim. I mean, can they make them take a breathalyzer when they get them out? They had to be drunk.
No, they're just stupid.
Yeah, it's true. Let's see you get out the official WEMA jet ski. Down Cold Scrape. I never, in 24 years, I've never seen this.
I can't imagine why they're putting a life jacket on. It's only, 4 foot deep, 5 foot deep, something.
Maybe they're little.
Because those men are standing and it's not rushing water.
Are they standing? Yeah. Oh, yeah, they're walking around. Oh, come on. I tell you, they should have made them swim. There are all kinds of people parked watching this debacle along with us.
The Lord loves stupid people.
Not these two.
There is a limit.
Yeah, people down there taking pictures. That'll be on Facebook, as will this. Come on. How hard is it to get two retards out of a flooded vehicle?
They forgot how